Okay, Wildcats, today we're going to journal page 16, graphing system of equations. Standard form, ax plus by equals c, where slope equals m, which equals negative a divided by b. X-intercept, which is x equals c divided by a, and the y-intercept, which is y equals c divided by b. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Point slope form, y minus y1 equals m, parentheses x minus x1, x1 comma y1 is the point, and m is the slope. Y equals a number is a horizontal line, and x equals a number is a vertical line. Types of solutions. One solution, independent, consistent, and the lines have different slopes. Infinite many solutions, dependent, consistent, and the lines are the same line. No solution is inconsistent, and the lines have the same slopes. If you would, update your notes. Okay, now your notes are updated. Let's take a look at our examples. Solving system of equations by graphing. Graph each system and then state the solution. Okay, so first you wanted to figure out what the line is, and it looks like the top line is slope-intercept form because slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, now all we have to do is distribute the two and we'll have mx plus b. So let's do that. Y equals 2 times x is 2x minus 2 times 1 is 2. Now slope is always a fraction, so we're going to divide that by 1. Okay, so m equals 2 divided by 1, and b equals negative 2, which means the point is 0, negative 2. So to graph that line, we're going to start at 0, negative 2, and we're going to go up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1, 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 up 2 to the right 1. Now, 2 divided by 1 is equivalent to negative 2 divided by negative 1. So we can go down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. Let's go and connect the points for our line. Okay. Now standard form is what we're going to use for this one because standard form is ax plus by equals c. So we have 1x minus 2y equals negative 8, where that's your a value, this is your b value, and this is your c value. Okay, so let's find the x-intercept first. So x-intercept. So x equals c divided by a, which is negative 8, divided by 1, which equals negative 8. So our x-intercept is negative 8, comma 0. So that's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8, 0. Okay, now let's find the y-intercept. So now the y-intercept is y equals c divided by b. Well, c is negative 8 divided by b, which is negative 2. So that equals 4. So our y-intercept is 0, comma 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, before we connect our lines, let's go ahead and find our slope, and we can find it using rise over one point. So that's up 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our slope is 4 divided by 8, which reduces to be 1/2. So let's go ahead and graph every point between these points. So up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. And from here, we're going to go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. That gets us precisely at that point of intersection, up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. So our solution is 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's one solution, and the point is 4, 6. Okay, go and finish up example 1. All right, let's take a look at example 2. All right, now you can see here that this is in slope-intercept form, so we have y equals negative 3x plus 2. Now remember, the number of x is always a fraction because it's slope. We're going to divide that by 1. So m equals negative 3 divided by 1. And our b value is 2, which is the point 0, 2. So let's start there. So 0, 2. And our slope is we go down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. 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 Now, negative 3 divided by 1 is equivalent to 3 divided by negative 1. So we can actually go up 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. Connect our points to draw a line. Now, in order to make this standard form, we're going to add 20 to both sides. So that's 6x plus 2y equals 20. Now we have the a value, the b value, and the c value. Okay, so let's find the x-intercept. So we know the x-intercept is c divided by a, which in this case is 20 divided by 6, which equals 3.33 repeating. Okay, so our x-intercept is 3.33 repeating, 0. Now, while that's the point, we don't want to use that point because it's not an exact point, okay? So we're going to find our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is c divided by b, which is 20 divided by 2, which equals 10. So our y-intercept is 0, 10. So let's go ahead and start with that point. So 0, 10. Now, we need to go back to our notes and find slope. Well, we know slope is m equals negative a divided by b. Well, our a value is 6, so that's negative 6 divided by b, which is 2, which reduces to be negative 3 divided by 1. So from here we go down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. 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 2, 3 to the right 1. Down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Okay. We can see here that the lines are parallel, so they do not intersect, so there's no solution. Okay, so finish up example 2. All right, now example 2 is finished. Let's take a look at example 3. Now here, we can see that this is in point slope form, okay? And we know point slope form is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, okay? So this would be y minus, in order For that to be a positive 1, it has to be minus a negative 1, equal to m, which is 2 divided by 3, x minus 3. Okay, so our point, now this is the x value of the point, so that's minus x1, so x1 is 3, comma, minus a negative 1, so our y1 is negative 1. So let's go and graph that point. So 1, 2, 3, negative 1. Okay, now our slope is real simple. It's 2 divided by 3. So we go up 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3. Up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 to the right. Now, this is equivalent to negative 2 divided by negative 3. So we go down 2 to the left, 3. 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 Okay. Now here, this looks like it's in slope-intercept form. Okay. So y equals 2/3 x minus 3. Okay. Where m is 2/3 and our b value is negative 3. So our point is 0, negative 3. So we start at 0, negative 3, and we go up 2 to the right 3, up 2 to the right 3, up 2 to the right 3. We can see that it's the same line. So this is infinite solutions. Okay, so go ahead and finish up example 3 and start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.